Okay, you know that taking notes is important, and you also know that you should be taking notes when you're in class and when you're on your own, studying at home, reading your textbook. Now you're asking yourself the question, what does that look like? When I'm taking a note, what does the page look like? What kind of note do I take? Okay, there's a couple different kinds of notes you can take, and the first one we would suggest is the outline. Okay, you've probably seen an outline before. You probably know what it is, or you at least recognize it if someone showed it to you. You know the Roman numerals, and then you kind of go down from the Roman numeral and you make an A or a lowercase a or a 1, and it kind of like flows down, almost like a set of stairs. Okay, that's what an outline looks like. It's a pretty common outline. It just allows you to have headings with main topics and then kind of supporting details out, so you can kind of keep all your information together almost in kind of weird paragraphs. And so if that confuses you, if having like letters that are actually numbers and then having numbers and then letters, if that gets confusing to you, you don't have to do that. You can do what's called an outline revisited, which basically means you do the same thing but you use whatever symbols or shapes you want to kind of keep your information together. So you could use little stars, and then under the stars you could put little dots. You can use letters, you can use numbers. The whole point of the outline, the whole point of taking notes is that you would be able to look at your information, remember it, recall it, and be able to kind of use that as you go forward to study, to make your grades, to increase your performance on your tests, on your quizzes. So anything that you can do to help you remember and learn the information.